Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Shopify to Google Ads for shopping campaigns, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Shopify to Google Ads for shopping campaigns, start by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Shopify App Store. Search for the Google Shopping app. Click on the app and then select Add App. Once the app is added, click on Install App to proceed. Follow the prompts to connect your Google account. You will need to sign in to your Google account if you are not already logged in. Grant the necessary permissions for the app to access your Google Ads in Merchant Center. Next, ensure your products are correctly set up in Shopify. Visit the Products section in your Shopify admin panel. Make sure your product details, including titles, descriptions, and images, are complete and optimized. Now, go to Settings from your Shopify admin dashboard. Select Sales Channels and then find Google. Here, you can configure your settings for Google Shopping. Make sure to set up Google Merchant Center if you haven't done so already. Visit the Google Merchant Center site and sign in or create an account. Once signed in, link your Google Ads account by going to Settings and then Linked Accounts. In your Shopify Google Shopping app, you will now link your Merchant Center account. After linking accounts, set your taxes and shipping settings in Google Merchant Center. Now return to your Shopify admin panel. Go to the Google Shopping app and select Product Feed. Ensure your product feed is correctly configured and submitted. Check for any errors in the feed and address them promptly. Next, set up your Google Ads campaign. Log in to your Google Ads account. Click on the Campaigns tab in the left sidebar. Select the plus sign to create a new campaign. Choose Sales as your campaign goal. Next, select Shopping as your campaign type. Select your linked Merchant Center account. Now, define your campaign settings such as budget, bidding strategy, and target location. Create your ad groups and select the products you want to include. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.